Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Neja, and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and 5 technical stock ideas that you can bet on at this point in time. Well, market is stuck in a range for the last 3 days despite strong FIIs buying. Domestic equity markets ended Thursday's expiry session in the red as the headline peers settled lower. Experts now believe that investors are probably in a wait-and-watch mode after a sharp spike in recent sessions. The outperformance of the broader market is significant, and this is supported by good Q4 results. Latest mutual fund data, in fact, shows that an increasing amount of mutual fund inflows is moving towards small caps. But yes, all eyes are now on Karnataka election results as well. So where are the markets headed in the near term, and what are the levels to watch out for? To discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Prashant Tapse, who is Senior Vice President of Research at Mehta Equities. Thank you so much, Prashant, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television. I want to begin by asking you about your technical market outlook because I think most Asian share markets were subdued in Friday's trading session after soft economic data from the US and China magnified concerns of a global slowdown. And it is also important to note that since 26th of April, foreign investors have been, non-stop buyers on the Wall Street. So, where are the markets headed according to you in the near term, and what do the technical charts suggest?
I think April was a month where Indian markets have a good base after the RBI took a pause session in the RBI meeting. Post that, market has given a 4% rally in April, and I think May also has been the best markets being taken in a positive mode. Technically, 18,200, 18,180 would be a level to watch out for Indian markets. Any close below this on a weekly basis, we can head towards the psychological level of 18,000. On a resistance level, again, 18,400 and 18,500 would be a watch-out level for being more bullish on the markets. Considering the Karnataka election, which you said right now, if something goes wrong with BJP, there would be massive selling, and even 18,000 can be a watch-out for Indian markets. And if there is possibility of BJP making the government again, 18,200 will be a support, and 18,400, 18,500 will be a level where we can see coming week.
Okay, so the election results is something that you should watch out for. 18,000 is the level that is coming in. And also, Prashant, metal sector is under spotlight. It has been underperforming significantly, and the performances have been weaker than expected. And also weak macro data from China, which is the world's largest producer and consumer of metals, also added to the concerns. So what are your thoughts on this particular sector, and any picks that you like, and is it the right time to step in after the amount of correction that we have seen so far?
I think you said it right. The China economic data, the PMI data, and the higher inventory data are keeping pressure on the Nifty index. I think the index will be still under pressure for some more days. And if you would like to see a stock, consider a stock to buy in these markets, there would be the good stock because it is more focused on the domestic markets. And Indian domestic steel industry is doing really great. Tata Steel domestic markets business is doing great, and even SAIL, I like SAIL very lot because of the domestic presence. SAIL at 80 rupees would be a good level to buy, and with a stop loss of 876 around and a target of around 10% from these levels would be a best pick in the sector.
Okay, Steel Authority of India Limited, that's the pick that is coming in. And also, any sectors that you're bullish on, Prashant, because before we come to the technical stock ideas, any sectors that are looking good on the technical charts, and any sectors one should avoid at this point in time?
Avoiding sector would be again steel as of now because of global volatility in terms of the Chinese higher inventory and all. There may be some pressure in the sector, but sectors one should look at would be, I think, hotel sector should be the highly focused sector, and along to this, auto sector should also be focused. Hotel, I like Indian hotels a lot. The stock has done very well from last one quarter and even doing good at these levels. Any upside from this level can be expected for 10 to 15% for next one quarter again. Why hotel industry? I think coming few quarters there will be huge flow of global passengers coming into India. I think the Ram Mandir date has also been announced on 24th of January, and this will keep bringing more people to India. I think India is focused towards to be a highest tourism hub for going forward. And I think auto sectors will also be helpful, considering the numbers of Tata Motors which are due today and the how Tata auto sector is doing well. Tata Motors and Ashok Leyland would be the stock one should look at in auto sector.
Okay, and from the hotel sector, any
Indian,
stocks that you like?
Indian hotels would be my preferred pick.
Okay, that's the pick that is coming in. And now let's come to the five top technical stock ideas. So, which are the stocks that you are betting on today?
Uh, First, I think CESC, Kolkata Electrical, I would like to bet on this on technicals. Currently trading at 70 rupees around and with a stop loss of 66.15 and a target of 80 to 85 would be the stock one should look at. Second would be again ACC, the sector leader in the cement at the level of 108.11 levels. Stop loss of very small 1800 levels and a target of 1865 and 1880. Fourth would be again SBI. We are waiting for the results on 18th of March. I think we may get a best result out of that. SBI at 575 with a stop loss of 560 and a target of 600 and 615. So both stock, I think we should look at LNT after post results. There was a huge sell-off. 2200 would be a level one should watch and buy with a stop loss of 2150 and a target of 2400. So this would be my fourth stock and a fifth stock would be the leader in the private sector, that is HDFC Bank. Near 1550 with a stop loss of 600 and a target of 1720 and 1750. These are my five picks technically.
Okay, so CESC, ACC, SBI, LNT, and HDFC Bank, right? So these are the five top technical stock ideas that are coming in. And on that wonderful note, thank you so much, Prashant, for taking the time out and being with us here on Business Today Television.
Thank you.
So with that, let's wrap up this edition of Technical Gupshop. So don't forget to keep a stop loss, because I think if you're trading in the near term, stop loss becomes very important. And apart from that, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can share your stock queries, stock feedback. So with that, let's wrap up this episode. Many thanks for watching.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.